If you're wrestling with a cracked, dim, or altogether dead LCD on your Zebra QLN420 thermal mobile printer, this replacement display, part number P1031365-009, might just be your savior. This is a genuine Zebra part, which is always a good sign, ensuring compatibility and hopefully a long lifespan. It's designed to work with both the 203 DPI and 300 DPI versions of the QLN420, so you don't have to worry about resolution mismatches. The package includes just the LCD display itself, so be prepared to handle the installation. If you're not comfortable with electronics repair, it's probably best to seek professional help to avoid damaging your printer further. One of the most reassuring aspects of this offering is the warranty and return policy. You get a 3-month warranty, which demonstrates the seller's confidence in the product's quality. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you a risk-free opportunity to test it out and make sure it resolves your display issues. It's always a good idea to test the display as soon as you receive it to ensure it's working correctly. The display is specifically designed for monochrome output, which is standard for thermal printers. It's compatible with smartphones, likely referring to the printer's ability to connect and print from these devices. The maximum black and white print resolution matches the printer's capabilities, either 203 DPI or 300 DPI, ensuring crisp and clear labels or receipts. Overall, this Zebra QLN420 LCD replacement seems like a solid option, especially given that it's a genuine part and backed by a warranty and money-back guarantee. If your printer's display is failing, this could be a cost-effective way to bring it back to life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.